This is a new mechanical keyboard, model from Lofree. Foundation version. In the box included instruction book, mechanical keyboard, L-shaped charging cable, comes with a brush used to clean the keyboard. The brush head is soft and easy to clean. The keyboard has a unique design in matte form, and the finishing accuracy is very high. The keyboard has full connections, Bluetooth wire or wireless via USB. All keycaps are individually designed. Many tones resemble women's foundation. The switch is chosen with a uniform beige color. Now let's start the sound check. Start.